Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for you, the Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner. If you've been struggling to find the best bathroom floor tile cleaner, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to learn all about this incredible cleaning solution. Are you tired of dealing with dirty, stained bathroom floor tiles? Well, the Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner is here to solve your problems. This product is specifically designed for those hard-to-clean surfaces. And it's not just for marble and tile. It works wonders on ceramic, porcelain, granite, natural stone, vinyl, and even brick. Let's dive into some of the key features that make this cleaner stand out from the rest. It's compatible with a wide range of surfaces, making it a one-stop solution for all your hard surface cleaning needs. Thanks to its no-rinse, hypoallergenic formula, you can achieve a streak-free, sparkling clean every time. You don't need to use a lot of product. Just 2 to 4 ounces per gallon of water, and you're good to go. That means this 1-gallon container will last you a long time. Worried about safety around children and pets? This product is eco-friendly and biodegradable, ensuring a safe cleaning environment. Now, let's demonstrate how easy it is to use this cleaner. All you need to do is dilute it in clean water, mop, and let it dry. It's as simple as that. So, why should you choose Black Diamond Stoneworks? Well, they have a strong commitment to making cleaning easy, and their products are bio-based, hypoallergenic, and safe for kids and pets. They actually work. You'll see the difference after just one use. The directions are simple and easy to follow. By protecting your surfaces, they stay cleaner and last longer. In conclusion, the Black Diamond Stoneworks Marble and Tile Floor Cleaner is the best bathroom floor tile cleaner available in the market today. With its versatility, streak-free shine, and eco-friendly formula, it's a must-have for anyone looking to keep their hard surfaces looking pristine. If you want to experience the magic of this cleaner for yourself, click the link in the description below to get your own bottle. And if you've already tried it, let us know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.